do today? First, we will start with the prayer. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the friends we meet. Thank you for our work and play. Thank you for this happy day. What do we have now? The teacher is telling that we will learn phonic sound. Phonic sound is nothing but the sound of a letter. See which letter we have now? We have A, and the A sound is a apple, ant, and alligator. And now we have B, and B sound is b boy, b ball, and bird. And what is this? C. C sound is k coin, k clock, k cat. This is D. D sound is d duck, donut, deer. And now this is E. E sound is elephant, egg. This is F. F sound is fish, fox, fan, and fish. This is G. So this is G. G sound is G, and girl, and goat, and grapes. And here we have H. H sound is h house, hat, hen. Next sound is I. I sound is igloo, iguana, and insects. Then we have J. J sound is jam, jug, and joker. Then we have K. K sound is kangaroo, kettle, kite. This is L. L sound is lion, lotus, and lamb. And after L we have M. M sound is that is monkey, mango, mouse. Then we have N. N sound is net, nest, and nurse. Then sound is O. O sound is orange, octopus, Ostrich. Then we have P. P sound is P. 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 Parrot. P. P. Peacock. P. P. Pencil. Then Q. Q sound is Qua. 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 Question. Qua. Qua. Quilt. Qua. Qua. Quill. Then we have R. R sound is R. 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 Rainbow. R. R. Rabbit. R. R. Rose. Then S. S sound is S. And S. Sun. S. Sunflower. And S. Snake. This is T. T sound is T. 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 Tree. T. T. Turtle. And T. T. Tiger. This is U. U sound is A. A. Umbrella. A. Up. A. Uncle. Then V. V sound is V. V. Vegetables. V. Vase. And V. Van. Then W sound is W. W. Wheel. W. Wolf. W. Watch. And now sound is X. X sound is X. 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 That is box. And X. X. Fox. Fox in the box. And ox. Now Y. Y sound is Y. Y. York. Y. Yacht. Y. Yo-yo. Next is Z. Z sound is Zoo. And then zebra. And zipper. Thanks. Like, share and subscribe the channel.